battling the dreaded camera heat-up when pushing your Nikon Z30 to its limits. Overheating can cut your creative sessions short and even put your beloved Z30 at risk, especially in warm weather or during prolonged video recording. But don't worry, we've got you covered with practical solutions to keep your camera cool and shooting. First up, let's talk about managing your shooting environment. If you're working in direct sunlight, find some shade whenever possible. Even a few minutes out of the sun can make a significant difference if you're shooting video for extended periods. Try to give your camera breaks, power it down for 5 to 10 minutes between takes to allow it to cool down naturally. Your camera settings play a crucial role too. If you're primarily shooting photos, you're less likely to encounter overheating. However, for video, high resolutions and frame rates like 4000 at 60 frames per second generate more heat. Consider dropping to a slightly lower resolution, such as 4K at 30 frames per second, or even 1080p for long takes if the absolute highest quality isn't essential. Another effective technique is to remove the battery when the camera is not in use, especially if it's been hot. This helps prevent residual heat buildup within the camera body. If you have a spare battery, you can cycle between them, allowing one to cool down while you use the other. Ensure good airflow around your camera during shooting. If you're using a tripod, make sure it's not obstructing any vents on the camera body. Some users also find that slightly extending the articulating screen can create a small gap that aids in heat dissipation. Finally, when storing your camera between shoots, keep it in a cool, dry place. Avoid leaving it in a hot car or direct sunlight. Implementing these simple tips will help you maximize your shooting time and protect your Nikon Z30 from the damaging effects of overheating.